The spread of coronavirus has had a devastating impact on the business world. People are confined to their homes, and business owners are enforced to shut down their offline stores. Sam is among the thousands of business owners who are dealing with the crisis. He is searching for ways to keep his business running and serve his community in these challenging times. He did internet research and found CodeBrew Labs. CodeBrew, being the technology partner of more than 30,000 businesses across 150 countries, realized the dire need of an advanced solution which helps businesses combat COVID-19. It is here when DeliverSafe tech solution comes into play. Launching a business with DeliverSafe enables business owners and entrepreneurs to offer multiple services and essentials online, register for government-approved delivery passes, easily track their drivers. Sam, being a responsible citizen, decides to launch his business with DeliverSafe solution. While earlier he was just selling Italian food, now he added grocery, sanitizer, pharmacy, and ambulance booking to his offerings. He got a complete DeliverSafe technology suite, which included customer app, driver app, admin panel. Now his customers were able to place orders for all essential things from one place. They could track the drivers and their orders in real time, and they could make online payments through multiple payment gateways. The driver agents could easily register for government-approved passes for delivery. Adding their details, they could request for approval to start delivery services, uploading medical reports. Once verified, they were assigned the delivery tasks and provide safe and contactless drivers to customers. For Sam, DeliverSafe turned into the biggest relief. He was able to review the drivers' details and verify them. Having complete information of driver whereabouts made it easy to track their travel and health. It was easy to identify positive cases and send alerts for the same to the government and customers. Along with this, he could add or edit the quarantined and lockdown locations to help drivers travel safe. With these impactful features, Sam could get his business back on track. He was happy to serve his customers and society. Meanwhile, operate his business amid the chaos. CodeBrew is always on the verge to help business owners and entrepreneurs. With DeliverSafe, we tend to help those who want to support their community and business. It's time to stand together and stronger. Together, we can fight it back.